Welcome to Data Miner channel. I'm your host Mary. Today's tutorial is on how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. By the end of this video, you will not only master VLOOKUP but also learn advanced tricks to avoid common mistakes. Stay tuned to the end because I have a pro tip on how to make VLOOKUP more powerful. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It is a powerful Excel function used to search a value in a column and return a corresponding value in another column. The basic syntax for VLOOKUP is right here. I have an employee database and we'll be using VLOOKUP. So the first thing to do is you put your equal to, then you write the VLOOKUP function, open bracket. The lookup value indicates the value we are looking for, which is Bob. So you click on it, then you put your comma. Table array means the range where the data can be found, which is here. So you highlight it, comma. Then the next one we have the column index. That's the number, the column number of the value we are looking for, which is 3, which is 1, 2, 3. So 3, comma. True or false means that true means you need an approximate match, or false, which means an exact match. So we want an exact match of our data, so we write in our false and close the bracket. So that is it, right? We've found the salary of Bob. Also, to find the salary of Ima and Leo, what you want to do is that you want to drag it down. After dragging it down, this is bringing up an error. To avoid this mistake, here's what you can do, which means that the VLOOKUP cannot find the name we are looking for here in this range, but the name is included. You can see that Leo was not highlighted in this data range. In order to avoid such error, create a table. You click on the first header and you press your Ctrl T. So let's go back to this first one. Instead of referencing it by how you did it, you can just do the table. You highlight again and highlight all the table range. Then you can see it has highlighted, then you press your OK. So once you drag it down, it will automatically by itself find it. Do you guys understand? Let's write a name that is not included. Let's say you wrote a name that is not included in this data range. Let's say Lou. You can see it's saying name can't be found in the table. So what you can just do is that instead of it bringing this out, you can let it bring out not found as the value, as the response. So what we would do is that we're using the IFerror function. So you write your IFerror, come here, comma, it should bring out a not found, response, then close your bracket. Can you see? So for every name that is not included in this data range, it will respond with a not found value. This is not as complicated as VLOOKUP has been made to look to you. So let's also check for departments of each employee. Just come here, you can copy and paste it, but you see it's giving us an error that not found. And then you can come here to your formula bar. As you know, there's an error here, which is that, let me double click here. You will notice that our column number is still 3 and our department range is 2. So what you can just do is just to change the value back to 2. It's bringing out an error for me. Do you know why? Let's double click. So you can see that it's highlighting the salary column instead of referencing Bob as in the name. That's why it's bringing out an error. So what you are going to do is that you also change the lookup value, which is Bob, and you click on OK. Can you see? So that was the error it brought us because I was referencing salary instead of Bob. So in case you have any error, just be calm and observe what exactly is wrong with the table. Then the same way you can drag it down. This is also saying not found, so you do the same. You use the IFerror. Now here is the pro tip I said I have for you. Making VLOOKUP dynamic. Instead of typing a name manually, let's use a drop-down menu on the reference value, which is Bob, and you come here under the data menu. You see data tools, then you click on data validation. Under the any value, you click on list. And you come here under the name, which is the data range containing our reference value. So you come here, click on the source, you press your Ctrl Shift down, and then you click on OK. You can select. So once you select, automatically it is updating itself. And that's how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. So easy, right? It is not complicated. If you have any question or encountered any problem or any error, please do also comment so I can provide solutions to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, do what to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you for staying to the end. Bye.